Hello crafters, it's Creative Michelle, your brand ambassador for Graphic 45. Today I'm sharing my latest collection, a beautiful mini album. It is featuring the Keepsake kit called Let It Be, Graphic 45 Keepsake Edition. This collection is it's brought back by popular demand with new ephemera die cuts, stickers, metal dies inside a reusable Plexus storage folder for a new crafting experience. This 142 collector set is filled with cheerful sunflowers, golden bees, bright red poppies against a bold black backdrop. So it's perfect for all you scrapbookers, mini album makers, card makers, and DIY makers as well. Along with the Keepsake kit, I am using the ivory square tag and pocket wraparound album. The album features magnetic wraparound cover for a secure and stylish closure, 8 cardstock pages for layouts, photos, and embellishments, 8 cardstock tags to personalize with journaling or photos, 4 double-sided peekaboo pocket pages for extra storage and hidden treasures. This album measures 6 1/4 by 6 1/4 by 2 3/4 thick. It's compact but yet spacious, so it offers so much versatility for all your creative needs throughout. So thanks for stopping by. I will be posting the Keepsake kit link below along with the album as well. And I hope you enjoyed this quick little walkthrough album. And if you have any questions, please be sure to comment and list below. Thanks for stopping by. Stay creative.